Welcome to SciTech Info, dear UPSC, TNPSC, NEET and JEE aspirants and school and college students. Hi all, I'm here to discuss about the language laboratory at SciTech Info. So in this we have a different modes of language, that is writing, reading, listening and speaking. In the writing, we have lowest level. In the lowest level, we have 20 words per minute. That is, we have to write 20 words per minute. This is the lowest level. And the highest level, we are capable of writing 30 words per minute. And if we have one page, we have to study one page and make that page as a note. We can take 10 minutes maximum, and we can make a concept map with a page in 20 minutes. This is the writing skill, and the timing for the writing skill is this. Reading 20 words per minute. We can read 20 words per minute in the least level, and the highest level we can read 30 words per minute. And listening. If we have a lecture video or if we have a live session, we can take the notes and we can finish one concept map in 20 minutes. And speaking. Description about the concept map in Telegram for 10 minutes. So we have to explain about the concept map for 10 minutes and send that as an audio record in the Telegram. And we have different types of writings. That is, first one is essay writing, next is letter writing, and the third one is notice writing, and the fourth one is note making. Note making means they'll give a paragraph to us and we have to take the notes from the paragraph and summarize the paragraph in short notes. Next is infographics. Already you all are familiar about the SciTech norms and SciTech learning techniques. In infographics, we have concept map. That is, we'll explain the concept in detail, and we'll sketch that in a flow chart way or in a clock diagram way. And next is sketch note. Sketch note is about the whole lesson summary. And next is drawing. And next one is graph, and the last one is tabulation, and the most important is flashcard. So already we have explained about the flashcards in many videos. So flashcard is a small card that is 1/4 size of an A4 sheet, and we'll write the concept map, and we can draw some important infographics in the flashcard. Like in biology, we'll have many drawings, and we can draw the flashcard, and we can make use of it in exam times, and we can use this flashcards for formulas, and we can use this for the summaries. Next is PPT, so PPT presentation, and scientific lectures, and literature survey, and the last one is article. Reading. There are many types of reading. First one is comprehension. Next is scanning. Scanning is nothing but in the exam times we used to do a last minute revision using the sketch notes or using the concept maps or using the flashcards, because these are used for summary. Sketch notes are mainly very important for summary in exam times, because we are including all the contents in the lesson inside the sketch note, and we are using it for our revision in the last minute of the exam. If we are going for an important exam and we want to revise all the contents in the textbook, means we can make use of this sketch note, that is scanning, last minute scanning. We'll just go through all the contents in the page. Next is group reading. So group reading is very important, because all the members in the groups will share the informations what they know. So we can collect many informations, and we can go through the contents also. Oral practice. So mainly the formulas will be practiced orally, and if we repeat it in the maximum times, the formula will be registered in our mind. So oral practice is very important. Usually we make use of the slokas for the memory power, because slokas, if we repeat the slokas, it will remain in our mind forever. So like that, formulas is like our sloka, because using the formula only we can solve the problems. So we have to repeatedly repeat the formula whenever we have free times. So we can also make use of the flashcard. We can write the formulas in the flashcard and stick in one place, so that always we'll repeat the formulas whenever we have time. So oral practice is very important. Recitation. So I already told that sloka is one of the powerful memorizing tool. So recitation. Like that only. In temples and all, we used to recite slokas. Likewise, formulas, we have to always recite the formulas so that it will be always in our memory. Mainly in maths, formulas are very important. Without formulas, we cannot do anything. So always keep reciting the formulas and keep writing the formulas so that it will always be in our memory. And the next is pronunciation. Correct pronunciation is always important. Next is listening. So in listening, we have dictation. In our smaller classes and all, ma'am used to dictate the words, dictate the notes, and we'll write the dictated notes. Or nowadays also, our ma'am will dictate the notes so that we'll make use of that and we'll take the notes from the dictated lecture. So dictation is very important. And the preparation of content and questions based on the video and audio lectures and live session. So we have to listen the video and audio lectures, not only video. Audio lectures is also very important. We have to take notes from the video and audio lectures and the live session, that is our classes. And the duration is 1.5 times of a runtime. If we have to watch a 30 minutes video and take a lecture note from it, we have to spend only 45 minutes, 1.5 times of the runtime. The runtime of the video is 30 minutes, then we have to spend 45 minutes. That is the total duration we have to take to watch a video and take the notes for them. Next is speaking. Speaking is recording and sending audio message in Telegram. So already we saw that in speaking we have to elaborate a concept map or a particular lecture, and we have to record that and send that as an audio message in Telegram. Next is language lab and deployment. Deployment means posting of contents in different social medias. That is, SciTech Info is posting its content in SciTech Info website, YouTube channel, podcast, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter and LinkedIn. So we are posting all our contents in all these social media. You can make use of it and you can cultivate your learning more and more. Thank you.
யாம் பெற்ற இன்பம் பெருக இவ்வையகம் என்பதற்கேற்ப please subscribe if you like our educational contents and share with your family and friends. Thank you for spending your valuable time.